Hey there, legends. Staples have to be one of the most frustrating parts of any upholstery job. Look at now. Oh my goodness. But when you finally get your head around it, you'll find out that it's just a necessary part of the process, and you start getting pretty quick at it. All you need are the basic tools, something to pry up the staple, something to grip and pull out the staple, and maybe a little whack hammer. You don't need much. You master these three things, and you will be a staple pulling machine. And then lo and behold, it stops becoming a hassle and it stops becoming a drama. So get stuck in. Don't stop the learning, and I'll see you in your next restoration. Let's go.